What's going on, you guys? This Spider-Man fan Spidey Miles 119 here, and today I'm going to be doing Try Not to Burp challenge by drinking my favorite Mountain Dew, which is regular, obviously. So, hopefully I won't try to burp, obviously. Oh man, I'm so scared, obviously. So, I'm going to put my mask up a little bit, that way you can see my mouth, obviously. Ooh. So, yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay. Alright. I got this. Okay, I'll feel it if I'm up a little bit right here. Try not to fail, obviously. Man. Man, I failed, you guys. I failed. Sorry about that. I've been trying to hold my burp, obviously, but for some reason, that didn't work, obviously. Oh, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this Try Not to Burp challenge video. Make sure you give this video a big huge like if you enjoyed this Try Not to Burp challenge. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Doesn't really matter to me. And comment below what you think. And leave any questions you want in the comments below. I'll try to answer all your questions that I can in my Q&A videos. And definitely share this video with your friends, obviously. Sorry I didn't even say share the videos with your friends from my air type of air videos that I posted. Well, uploaded, I mean. So, yeah. So, anyways, you guys. And definitely subscribe for more content. So, anyways, you guys. Until then, I'm out. Peace!